Each morning the sun rises over the razor wire of prisons across the state of Ohio, where 50,000 men and women wake up to another day of incarceration. Men and women who are facing a lifetime of hardship because of bad decisions. Even nonviolent offenses leave an indelible mark on our lives. While prison is not where we would expect to find hope, not where we would choose to get hope, it is a place that is desperately in need of hope. A hope for a reformed attitude, a renewed sense of self-worth, new skills, new perspective on positive values of life, family, and community. The goal is to provide training, education, mentorship, social skills, and motivation. Hope for a better tomorrow. Hope for an opportunity to make a positive difference in our future. Each morning, the men at GRC wake up to new possibilities, new opportunities, an ever-expanding array of programs and activities designed to give hope. These opportunities include community service projects where the men can give back to community, the toy shop, the tailoring shop, and the Love a Pup programs donate thousands of hours of community service monthly. Even from within these fences, the social interaction with volunteers allows a shared value and ethic that brings a sense of being, in some small way, a valuable part of the community. Community partners for Oberlin Drama at Grafton, Brothers Keeper, the Media Studio, and a variety of other programs make these programs some of the most impactful. The educational and vocational opportunities provide reintegration residents valuable skills vital to their eventual success. Programs like the horticulture, welding, machine trades, diesel mechanic, and Rich Project CDL prepare participants for the job market. These programs, along with Ashland University and a vast array of apprenticeship programs, are at the core of reintegration. Prove, Thinking for a Change, Victims Awareness, and the OPI Braille Shop are vital staff-led programs that help residents prepare for eventual release. In addition, resident peer-to-peer programs provide valuable insights and opportunities for growth. GRC is a launching pad for productive, contributing members of society that add value to communities to which we will invariably return. Ultimately, we are working very hard to return with new skills, more education, a new outlook on life, and a greater sense of the impact on our own lives, the lives of our families, and communities. Here at Grafton Reintegration Center, we have what we call the Hope Center, an acronym for Helping Ohio Prisoners Excel. It is an actual place where programs, activities, and positive events abound daily, a place of hope.